In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneDrive on Windows 10. We're going to do this by unlinking your PC from OneDrive, which immediately stops file syncing without uninstalling the app or deleting any of your files. This is a safe way to pause OneDrive if you're saving bandwidth, troubleshooting, or just prefer manual control over what gets backed up. Start by looking at the bottom right corner of your screen on the taskbar, where the notification area lives. Find the OneDrive cloud icon. It may be blue or white. If you don't see it right away, click the small up arrow to show hidden icons, and it should appear there. Click the OneDrive cloud to open its panel. In the OneDrive panel, click the gear icon for settings. This opens the settings window where you can manage your account and preferences. From here, switch to the account tab. This tab is where your OneDrive account details live and where the unlink option is located. Now click unlink this PC. Windows will ask you to confirm since this action stops syncing for this computer. Go ahead and confirm. The change takes effect right away. Once unlinked, OneDrive will stop syncing immediately. Your local OneDrive folder on this PC will remain and your files will stay exactly where they are. Anything that's already in the cloud remains safely stored in your OneDrive online. The key difference after unlinking is that new changes on your computer will no longer upload to the cloud and updates from the cloud won't download to this PC. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you are in the middle of large file transfers, give them a moment to complete before you unlink to avoid partial uploads. If the OneDrive icon wasn't visible and you couldn't open the panel, you can also launch OneDrive from the Start menu search, then repeat the same steps to access settings. And if you use OneDrive with a work or school account, the process is the same. Unlinking simply disconnects this device from that account's sync. If you change your mind later, re-enabling syncing is easy. Open OneDrive from the Start menu, sign back in, and choose the folders you want to sync. Your files in the cloud will reconnect to your PC, and syncing will resume where it left off. That's it. You've successfully disabled OneDrive on Windows 10 by unlinking your PC, giving you full control over when and how your files sync. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.